There is something so undeniable about the magic of planet Earth. Watching plants grow, seeing their resilience, feeling them responding to your care, and using them for mind, body, spirit well-being is one of the greatest gifts of my life. It's such a reminder of the magic that exists all around us. Since I was little, my mom has been using herbal remedies as a way to promote healing and health in our household. I was always encouraged to take herbs before I was encouraged to take any Western medicines. One time she told me that if I ever lost something, to go put my hands in the earth and it would help me remember. And it totally worked. Something changed for me when I went to Ireland in 2019, a place I had felt very drawn to for a long time. I felt myself, for the very first time, as a daughter of planet Earth, which was profoundly healing for me, especially as I'd spent most of my life feeling very disconnected. During these crazy times, working with my hands, gardening, learning about herbs, and creating my own herbal remedies has been deeply healing and calming for me. It's such a powerful way to come into the present moment. It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the noise out there right now, drowned in all the opinions and the fear of the unknown. But I find that working with plants and gardening and cultivating life brings me deeply in connection with the beauty and the magic that is alive and well on the planet right now. I know that if I don't tend to the garden of my own happiness, then I'm useless to contribute my energy to building the new earth. Thanks for being here, and I'm looking forward to sharing more of what I'm learning with you in the hopes that it inspires you to find the magic and peace in your own life too, through whatever means is calling you. Art, gardening, magic making, herbal remedies, whatever that looks like. Thanks for being here, friends, and blessings.